Buh, buh. Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening a Pokemon pack. I got my pack. It's 10 times bigger than me. And it's a Pokemon Go Pokemon pack. Look at that. I'm so excited to open this thing. Alright. Don't look at the code card. I think it's 4 from the back. Alright, fire energy. We got fire energy. We got a unpheasant. We got a soul rock. We got a lure model. We got an Eevee. We got a Natu. We got an Ambipom. We got a Alolan Raticate, nice. We got a Larvitar. I think that says Larvitar. We got an Alolan Raticate, a reverse card. Oh, we got Melmetal. Nice, I love Melmetal because he's metal and strong. Look at that card. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope I see you again.